Hi, welcome to SOAR Online English Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to log into your accounts, view upcoming lessons, view past classes, and access and submit your homework tasks. Logging in. To log in, visit the link shown. Enter your username and password and click Login to access your accounts. These details will be provided to you, but you can change your password later if you want. Upcoming lessons. This is your dashboard. Here you can see all your upcoming classes. Click on a specific class to view the details and join the virtual classroom at the scheduled time. The classroom will open 5 minutes before the lesson starts. Reviewing past classes. To review the previous lesson, click on Past Classes from the dashboard. Here you will see a list of all the classes you've attended. Click on Class Review for a specific class to review the lesson materials. Accessing homework tasks. To access your homework tasks, go to Past Classes and Homework. Your teacher will let you know if this is available for the class. Once you have completed the assignment, remember to click Submit. After you've completed your work, your teacher will review and provide feedback. And that's it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or your teacher.